I use an awful lot of different phones every week, and although I try my best to look after them, sometimes it's hard to have the best practices in place every time on every phone that I use. Now, none of these phones are cheap either. We should be looking after them, and as I have to buy all these devices with my own hard earned cash, it's in my interest to look after them and along the way, find ways I can help you look after your device too. One of the most obvious ways you can help keep your phone healthy is by looking after its battery and its general health. Sure, you could just quickly scan the battery health on the phone itself, but what if you want a more detailed, in depth look at your battery health and also a full health report on your phone? Well, that's where Wondershare's Dr. Phone comes in. It's a great application to help ensure your phone is running at its optimum at all times. And as you're about to see, there's so much you can do with this app. As the name suggests, Dr. Phone has been designed from the ground up to look after your phone just like a doctor would look after you. You can use it for data recovery, device backup, WhatsApp transfers, or full system repair. You can even use it for file transfer between iOS and Android devices. In this run through of the Wondershare Dr. Phone app, I'll primarily be using my iPhone Air to show you how simple it is to connect to your Mac, and then I'll show you the various health and system checks you can run on your phone to keep it working at its best all of the time. After you've downloaded, installed the app and created an account, all you need to get going is a standard USB-C cable. The one that came with your phone, for example, that's perfect. As you can see, the Dr. Phone app recognised my iPhone Air immediately, and as I'd have hoped, it's given my phone a perfect 100 for good condition. This app gives you a quick diagnostic overview of your phone, and it'll tell you if the phone is jailbroken, what version of iOS it's running, the IMEI number, serial number, and if your Apple ID lock is on or not. Then the app goes further and drills down into all kinds of important data, such as battery health and charge cycles, which hopefully should match the data shown on your phone. Think of the verification report like a health passport for your phone. It's worth taking a look at every now and again just to make sure that everything is in good shape. You can even export this report and save it as a text document to refer to later. As you can see, this screen displays the storage situation on your phone, and at the bottom of the screen, you have these various subfolders. You can back up your device from here, export data, screen unlock, and do a WhatsApp transfer too. Once you're happy with the overall health of your phone, next go to the toolbox, which is where the Dr. Phone app comes into its own, particularly with this powerful system repair feature. Before clicking into that though, it's worth noting that Dr. Phone gives you the option to recover passwords or even copy all data from one phone to another. As you can see, the toolbox offers you three main choices: screen unlock, system repair, or WhatsApp transfer. The WhatsApp transfer is pretty obvious, so we won't bother looking into that in this video. The screen unlock will remove locked phone screens for iOS devices, or the FRP, the factory reset protection for Android devices. With system repair, there's a basic iOS repair, which will sort out more than 150 common iOS repairs, such as black screens, or if you're unable to launch your phone or charge it, you can upgrade or downgrade your OS, run the 1110 error repair, which is exclusively for 1110 errors or full disk issues, or run the anti-recovery repair mode, which will purge data to guard privacy. The anti-recovery mode is great if you want to sell your phone, for example, and know that all the data inside has been completely wiped. Also, something just came to my mind. You could offer that verification report to a buyer so they can see for themselves the condition of the phone they're about to buy for a hassle-free purchase for both you and for them. The toolbox repair is there if you find yourself stuck in the device firmware update mode, or if you just fancy looking at iOS beta features that you might want to try out. As we just saw, my iPhone Air is in good order, so I don't need to do any further repairs on it. But out of interest, I'm just going to check my 17 Pro Max and my 17e to check on the health of both of those too. The strength of this app is that there's so much more to it than just checking on the health of your phone. For instance, if you have a foot in both camps, say you run both Android and iOS devices, well, this app will help you transfer files and even photos between them really easily. All those headaches of trying to find a simple, safe and secure way of moving files between Androids and iPhones is now a thing of the past, thanks to Dr. Phone, and they made it so easy to do as well. I found this app simple to use and yet powerful. It's been really well thought out, and it's great to have at your side for complete peace of mind when those unexpected problems crop up. The app gives you access to other areas of your phone that you might not have expected, like music, photos, files, and apps. Dr. Phone opens up a whole new way to look at the health of your phone from a grassroots level. So, if this video has tempted you and you want to check out for yourself what the state of your phone is and just how good and how powerful this app is, then check the link I've left you in the description. Whether you need to transfer and repair bypass activation lock devices or recover lost data, then Dr. Phone from Wondershare is for you. There are all manner of different options for you to choose from at every price point, whether you're an individual or part of a business team. Wondershare has you covered. And one last point I wanted to make is that even though I've only shown you Dr. Phone running on Mac OS and with iPhones, it works just as well on Windows machines and with all Android devices as well. Try out Dr. Phone for yourself right now and make sure you're getting the very best from your phone at all times. Surely you owe that much to yourself and to your device, right? And let me know how you get on with this great app.